Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to change or set time zone and regional format in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix dashboard. On left side you see settings, so click on it. So we are in general setting, and then you see multiple option, and then you see language and region, so click on it. And then you see regional format. Choose a region to set how dates, number, measurement appear on your site. Now you see regional format, so you can select format according to requirement, and drop down you see multiple option: African, Arabic. So you can select regional format according to requirement, and then scroll down you see time zone. Select your time zone so that people will see your local date and time. Time zone Karachi, so you can select time zone for United States or United Kingdom according to requirement. You see Pacific time, so you can select both option according to requirement, and then click on save changes. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.